And one thing that is really important is like, who is the messenger? So as many of you know, Dr. Blackstock has an identical twin. And just yesterday or the day before, Dr. Uche Blackstock put on Twitter that she was really moved by the fact that there was a patient who was talking to a patient of a different clinician who was saying that they saw Dr. Blackstock on TV talking about like the prevention and treatment options for COVID-19. And because they saw a Black doctor on TV talking about it, then it became real that this was true. Like Tony Fauci, who's all over the news now for things that have nothing to do with healthcare, more politics. But one thing that he's very clear about, he's all like, I need other people to step forward and get the attention to talk about HIV and other illnesses. He wasn't talking about COVID at the time, but he knew that he was a white man in his late 70s, a cisgender heterosexual white man in his late 70s, talking about the needs of predominantly queer, trans people of color. So that's when you're like, the messenger matters, because if the Black version of Dr. Fauci goes forward, then everyone's going to listen in the Black community. If someone who is Hispanic Latinx is listening to someone who's also Hispanic Latinx who comes from a similar background to them, you're going to pay more attention.